gozaimasu. Look what gozaimasu. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. मुझे आज मेरी छुट्टी था इसलिए मुझे स्ट्रॉबेरी पिकिंग जा रहे हैं। यहाँ से 45 मिनट्स लगेगा मेरा घर से। मेरा बाल Ajiganta, when would you say that something was in your favor or something is in your favor? आज का मेरा story. As I stepped out, the sky cleared and it was to my surprise क्योंकि 30 minutes पहले it looked like it was going to rain buckets. So I looked up. Better not be a prank, as if I could do anything than be sad about it. Anyway, I was glad for the clear sky क्योंकि मुझे strawberry picking जाना था. It was during my college days when I actually started watching K-dramas and reality shows. There is a particular show that I was hooked onto, The Return of Superman. For those who doesn't know about the show, ये एक ऐसा शो है जहाँ celebrity dads are left alone to take care of their young kids. It's a very lovely show. The kids are so adorable and the dads are sometimes clumsy in a very cute way. I remember a particular episode where a cast Chu Sarang and her dad went for strawberry picking. And the way Chu Sarang was enjoying her strawberries made the episode so cute. And since then, strawberry picking has always been on my bucket list. I had to transfer train 3 times और तीनों में कुछ अलग ही experience था. First, I saw some school kids and how they made me smile with their cuteness. Second, it was very crowded and how I was struggling to balance myself and the girl standing next to me was doing her makeup. It was like same situation, different scenario thing. Yes, it's very normal to see girls doing their makeup in trends in Japan. And the third, my heart was for it because the Oji-san sitting in front of me was practicing something. Was it sign language? Some kind of Japanese traditional dance? I couldn't guess it. But yes, the way he was doing it, with so much sincerity, just made my day. और एक चीज़ जो मुझे जापान में आने के बाद सबसे ज़्यादा अमेजिंग लगता है is to see young school kids commuting to their schools without their parents, which is not a normal thing in India, proving how safe Japan is. और ऐसे ही जर्नी एंजॉय करते करते I finally reached the station Nishifu. Exiting from the south exit, I had to walk around 15 minutes from the station to the farm. The area was quite new and very different from the place that I live in. After reaching, I saw that the people were already lining up for the entry. There are lots of farms where you can get entry without prior reservation, but For this farm, you have to book in advance, which I did the day before, and so I joined the queue. जब मेरा turn आया, they checked my name and handed me a basket with 200-gram card. And as I walked in, I couldn't believe my eyes क्योंकि the place was so beautiful. I was like, इतना सुंदर है. The place was so beautiful, nothing like how I imagined. The place looked like a strawberry-themed wedding venue, and literally I could imagine someone getting married at a place like this. With no regrets for choosing this place as my first strawberry picking experience, I was already so excited, just like all the kids present there. After some waiting, egg staff आया, and then she instructed us about the rules.
いちご垂れ下がってなってます。垂れ下がってなっているいちごをですね、優しく持っていただいて、くるっと90度にひっくり返して取ります。くるっと90度です。下に垂れ下がっているので、下に引っ張りたくなってしまうんですけれども、下に引っ張ってしまうとこの枝ごと取れてしまう恐れがございますので、必ず取りたいものだけをくるっと90度にひっくり返して取ってください。そうですね、摘み取れる場所を説明いたします。手のほどの高さに置いている列でしたらどこを取っていただいても大丈夫です。頭より上の方に設定させていただいているところからは危ないので、上からは取らないようにお願いいたします。品種がございます。こちらに見えるのが四つ星という品種になります。また
And just to make sure that I understood everything, I requested for an English translation. They were very kind and very welcoming. They handed me a paper which was translated in English. In Japanese, strawberry picking is called ichigo gari. Ichigo meaning strawberries and gari literally meaning hunting. And so with that, I started my hunting.
ママ見て。ママ見て。お預かりいたします。はい、すいません。失礼いたします。失礼いたします。はい。150円です。はい。はい。
はい、また来ます。はい、すいません。ありがとうございます。
I was already full with my first basket of strawberries, but I did go for second because it was so fun. Also, I didn't know until I picked my second basket of strawberries that there was also an option where we can make our own parfait with the strawberries we just picked. I was so excited that I used my second basket of strawberries to make it. When I started making it, I was so confused with the tools provided क्योंकि मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कैसे यूज़ करना है. One of the staff saw me struggling and came to my rescue. With her instruction, I was finally able to make my parfait. I would say that look-wise, it wasn't that good. Also, taste-wise, it wasn't that bad. Saying my goodbye and promising to be back next year, I headed towards my home. By the time I reached home, it started raining. So I can say that today everything was in my favor. The weather, the place, and the oishi strawberries. And with this, I hope that everyone who has stopped by and joined me in my today's story be blessed with a day where everything is in your favor.